In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shadow on CapCut PC. Adding shadows to text can give your video a polished, professional look and make your words stand out against any background. Whether you're creating content for social media, a video presentation, or just experimenting with creative editing, this tutorial will guide you through every step to achieve the perfect shadow effect. CapCut is a versatile and beginner-friendly editing tool, so even if you're new to video editing, you'll find this process simple and rewarding. Let's get started. First, open CapCut on your PC. If you haven't already downloaded CapCut, you can easily find it online, sign up, and get started. Once the program is open and ready to go, navigate to the Text tab located at the top left corner of the interface. This is where all your text-related tools and assets are stored, so you'll want to familiarize yourself with it, as we'll be working here quite a bit. Next, drag the default text asset from the Text tab onto your timeline. Doing this adds a text clip to your project. This clip acts as a placeholder that you can fully customize to display whatever text you'd like. Once the text is on your timeline, click directly on the text clip to select it. This is an important step because it ensures that CapCut knows which specific text clip you want to edit. If you have multiple text clips in your project, make sure you've selected the correct one to avoid accidentally editing the wrong clip. Now, look to the right-hand side of your screen and locate the editing panel. If it doesn't appear, try clicking on your text clip again to activate it. The editing panel is where all the magic happens. It's where you'll find the options to adjust, style, and customize your text. Within this panel, click on the Basic subtab. If you don't see the Basic subtab right away, don't worry. It's usually located near the top of the panel, alongside other subtabs. Once you're inside the Basic subtab, scroll down until you find the shadow box. This is the setting that allows you to enable and control the shadow effect. Check the shadow box to turn the shadow on. You'll immediately notice that a shadow appears behind your text. This simple step adds depth to your text, making it pop and feel more dynamic. However, if you don't see any visible change, don't worry. You'll need to adjust the shadow settings next to bring the effect to life. Let's start customizing the shadow to suit your project. First, choose your shadow color. You can do this by selecting the color box and picking a shade that complements your design. Black is a classic choice because it works well in most scenarios, but don't be afraid to experiment with other colors to create unique and creative effects. Next, adjust the opacity slider. This controls how transparent or bold your shadow appears. If you want a strong, dramatic shadow, move the slider toward the higher end for a more subtle and understated look. Lower the opacity. Keep an eye on your text as you adjust to find the balance that works best for your video. After that, modify the blur slider. This setting determines how sharp or soft the edges of your shadow appear. For a soft, diffused look, increase the blur. On the other hand, if you want sharp, clearly defined edges, reduce the blur to 0. The blur setting can dramatically change the vibe of your text, so take your time experimenting with it. Now, let's adjust the distance slider. This controls how far the shadow sits from your text. Increasing the distance can create a floating effect, making your text appear as though it's lifted off the screen. Alternatively, reducing the distance can make the shadow feel more grounded, almost like a natural drop shadow. Finally, use the angle slider to determine the direction of the shadow. Think of this like mimicking the effect of light hitting your text from a specific direction. By adjusting the angle, you can make the shadow fall to the left, right, or any other direction, adding an extra layer of realism to your design. Once you've made all your adjustments, take a moment to preview your changes. This is your chance to see how the shadow looks in the context of your video. If something feels off, don't worry, simply tweak the settings again until you achieve your desired style. Small adjustments can make a big difference, so don't rush this step. And there you have it. You've successfully added and customized a shadow to your text using CapCut on your PC. Adding shadows not only enhances the visual appeal of your text, but also helps it stand out, ensuring your message is crystal clear. If you have any questions or tips to share, feel free to drop them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.